Okay, I'm back. Next project, homemade CNC mill. This is how it looks like. I haven't taken much photograph or video when I was doing this because I didn't have time. It's very simple. I'm using NEMA 23 motors. The chassis is built of some old rack machines. Works really okay. Really quick job. I'm gonna switch out those bearing holders to real ones, like I did here. I did weld on correct ones. I'm still missing some bearings. I don't have the radial bearings. I need to finish the welds. This is just test phase. As you can see, wood. I haven't got the real motor as well. Machinery, electronics, PCU, and the driver board. Here I have the computer, Mac 3, demo mode. It works really okay. I have tested it a bit. I did some road run tests earlier. It works. I just got the settings correct because I did look a bit wrong here. So I did set it on the wrong way around. So now I corrected it, and now it actually does. When it says I'm going 1 millimeter here, it does go 1 millimeter. So I'm happy. Let's see if we can run something. Let's see if we can do it. Let's take it somewhere else. Rewind and start it. I'm supposed to do a Ferrari logo. I have nothing in there, so I can't do it. The code is 6,500 lines. The demo version only handles 500, so as you can see, it stopped on 497. But it do work. It works really, really well. Mostly built out of scrap. I did have to buy the electronics and such things. I'm using normal trapezoid. M10, 10 millimeters times 2 millimeters per lap rev. As you see, it's normal straight from the racks. I haven't even put together correctly, I think. Missing some bolts. Did weld this together at least. I should get something here as well. Let's get a little bit better. At the moment I can do roughly 60 times 40 on the base, and the Z lead can go like 20 centimeters. And I would say that's enough. It's more than enough for a first time CNC. It's a bit high. It's really big, this machine. Hopefully I can do some really nice things. So, see you.